This is the port of Koper, Slovenia, and I'm actually going truffle hunting, and I can't wait because I love truffles. So I hope that we get to find some, we get to eat some, drink along with it, and just have a full day of truffles. My ship has arrived at the port of Koper, Slovenia. However, my local friend and guide Goran has plans to take me on a truffle hunting expedition in a 2,000-year-old forest in the northern part of central Istria, overlooking the pretty Miro River Valley. We meet up at the estate of Miro Tartufo to prepare for our search. I'm sure you think of pigs when it comes to finding truffles, but here, the dogs are the hunters. We follow Miro and his 2 dogs on a short drive to the ancient forest that is the natural habitat for the oak tree under which the white truffles grow. Wow, they're really good. Oh, she found something.
Bella found. Ah, you see it, no? Czekaj. No, czekaj.
Wow!
Yeah, but the Bella found and the Lila Rose. Yeah. Is very young. Yeah. It's very, very nice. Very good truffle. Only now we eat all what is here. Only we must clean it with the water.
Okay. Yeah.
Now she won't present it. I found truffle one time to time and don't like what is not coming good dog.
I better hold this away from them. Again? Should you get another?
Now you
Another little one.
Okay. Yeah, if you see now the truffle don't have his root.
Right.
In this place where we go, if the dog digging, I know the 100% is white.
She got it. Ah.
No. This is nice.
Baby.
White, very
whoa.
small. But it's very
Oh, this probably would cost who knows how much at home. The smell is really earthy and fresh, and I don't know, it's amazing to think that you just shave little bits off of that and it adds so much to your dish. The dogs were certainly having a fun time out there, and I'm over the moon that they found the very rare white truffle. I hope to get to eat it. It's back to the estate where Mariana chats about the different types of truffles and prepares some truffle-laden dishes, while Goran gives me a lesson on making some Istrian pasta called Fuži that he says is perfect with truffles.
Hello, Zita. So I prepared here the dough for you. The dough for making the Istrian pasta that are called Fuži, F-U-Z-Y.
Okay.
And that I will make with truffles.
Look at these babies.
So
wow.
the first step, well, is that you flatten up a bit this dough with your palm. Then we will start this pasta machine.
Good, I like machines.
And then you pass it through the thickest settings of this.
Just like this?
Yes, like this, yeah. Wow, great. So I will decrease this to a thinner setting. So now we are at 2. Then we go to 3. It's easy, you see. Once you
Yeah, I have a pasta maker, but
you can
believe
even
it or
use
not,
the one that is
that's the one I have.
by hand.
This is a lot easier.
So, and we are at 4.
Start like in this section
Yes,
here,
yes.
like from here.
Great.
I told you mine aren't going to be very even.
No worries. Perfect.
See, for a minute I forgot how to do it. I forgot what shape we were doing.
You take two corners and then you squeeze it. So these that are the closest, you see? So you just pinch this part, not the lower part. This is easier way to do it. You take this chopstick and you also take this one and you roll it over the chopstick, and at the end you stick hard. You see? And we want this hole because the sauce should go inside.
I see.
And this is what makes the pasta good.
Pasta making is always time consuming.
Time consuming, yes. That's why it's nice to make it in a good company.
Yeah.
Okay,
So we did a good
Zita,
job?
we did a good job.
All right, you'll
I will finish this.
Okay,
You
sounds
can
good.
go to sit and I will bring the pasta.
I love that. Okay.
Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Boy, was that fun hunting for those truffles that we got. And now look at this.
We got 4 truffles and the white one.
The white one was really, really special.
Amazing.
This dish have white truffle or just black truffles?
This is with fresh black truffles.
Black truffles. So this is a lovely, lovely place that you have. I'm
Thank
happy
you.
that I was able to take part in the hunting and the cooking a little bit.
Yeah.
And so it's a very special dish from this region. I'm ready to try our creations here.
Okay.
And a lot of truffle.
And I put a little bit more
More-
fresh.
Oh my goodness.
More actually fresh and raw.
The aromas right
Yeah.
here are just incredible, incredible. And Goran, so you're a chef or how you do that?
I'm not a chef. I'm a household cook. I don't like to be called chef because
Right.
it's too fancy,
Formal,
formal. Yeah, I just
That's
cook what
incredible.
I cook at home, and I offer cooking classes
Ah, okay.
and wine tours.
Doing cooking classes. So you find a lot of people interested in doing that. I think more and more people like
Yes,
that.
very much. I do just small groups, like 2, 4, 6 people, and that's about it.
That's
yeah.
nice, and that's
Yeah.
like you do too. The same kind of
Yeah.
thing, just
Yes.
small.
We do with a little bit more people. Yeah, we are a small family, small company, and we are not big
It's
industry.
lovely, yeah. The dogs were terrific today, finding the truffles for us. It was a lot of fun. This pasta is so delicious.
Thank you so much.
'Cause it's so-
Thank you for your help.
You're
also.
welcome. See how fresh makes such a difference,
Yeah.
doesn't it? The sauce is pretty quick, right? So you just
Yeah, the sauce it's just butter, truffles, fresh truffles, then water
bit of
from
wine.
the pasta and Parmesan cheese. Very
wonderful,
simple.
wonderful. Cheers. Shivali, thank you, Goran, for having us,
Cheers.
bringing us to this beautiful place.
Thank you.
Rihanna.
And Mirjana,
Yes,
hvala za sve.
Thank you.
and our
Živjeli.
truffles, and
welcome to
and to
Croatia.
Bella for finding all the truffles for us.
Okay.
Before we get back to the ship, Goran has a quick stop at one of his favorite little towns, Grožnjan. This settlement that was once abandoned has become a cultural hotspot with artists and musicians and has a beautiful hilltop location. This day was fabulous. Traveling outside of town to come and to go with the dogs, to go into the fields and actually find white truffles along with the black truffles, and to have all these different dishes from breads to eggs to the pasta that we made with Goran, the special Fuži dish from here. And it's just incredible what you can find here and what they shared with me. It's just a world of truffles and I just can't get enough.